everyone! So, how are you guys? I'm currently here in Quezon City kasi may na-discover ako na paint store that offers more than just a color. So, if you are that someone who wants an aesthetic vibe for your walls, or if you are that someone who wants to explore the trends when it comes to paint industry, join me as I enter the world of the new generation paint. Hi! Would you like to visit Sinclair Pro Store?
Hi ma'am, it's upstairs.
Thank you! So as you can see, no, paakyat pa lang tayo sa stairs, meron ka nang makikitang different textured of paint. So, I'm very excited kung ano pa yung meron sa loob. Tara! Whoa! So this is actually the Sinclair Pro Store, and it will really capture the heart of every paint enthusiast. Another nice thing in this Pro Store, no, is they have a couch where you can wait for your orders or you can relax, and it really feels like home. And kung gusto mong ma-achieve ang feels like home vibes, or gusto mong magkaroon ng breathtaking accent walls, you can use Decorative Lime Plaster. So, makakakita ka ng different textured and designs depend on your preferred colors or accent walls. And Decorative Lime Plaster combines with Macao Effect paints that can give brilliance sa iyong accent walls. Let's check out more of their decorative paints. Oh, Gala textured finish coat. So, it's very nice, no, knowing na makakagawa pala tayo ng aesthetic vibes or aesthetic wall using a sand. So, they use different tools para ma-achieve yung ganitong texture or design. And one of my favorite is coral. So, let's see naman kung ano yung sizes of sand na ginamit para ma-achieve yung ganong texture. So, these are the types of sand that you can choose. So, that's the different size of the sand from Gala. So, meron akong napansin na very eye-catching talaga, which is Bahaghari, the multicolor paint. So, bakit siya naging eye-catching for me? Because with just one paint, nakita ko merong different colors na makikita mo. So, it's called the Flex. So, this one, I believe you just have to use yung spray gun para ma-achieve yung ganitong texture. And it's ready to use na. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-mix or mag-blend ng different components para ma-achieve si Bahaghari. And another thing is, over there, the stone paint. Tara! Okay, so stone paint. So, we're now here in stone paint. So, actually, para lang siyang si Gala, but ang napansin ko kay stone paint, no, it has a different application para ma-achieve yung pag-apply kay stone paint. It depends on the application para ma-achieve mo yung ganitong texture. And, of course, meron din silang different colors. And, oh, this one. So, it's actually like the color of what I'm wearing. So, it really mirrors talaga your unique style. So, deep terracotta. Okay? So, pwede kang mamili. Depends on your preferred stones. Aside from their decorative paints, they also have this innovative wallpaper na kakaiba talaga. And that is Borealis Liquid Wallpaper. So, let's check their samples of Borealis. So, I'm gonna pull one and onyx. So, this is actually made of fiber. So, as you can see, meron din siyang mga hint of gold. And another interesting feature of Borealis is that it has a sound dampening effect. So, meaning, nalilesen niya yung echo ng isang room. Right? Very interesting. Imagine with this single pack of Borealis, the 1 kg can already cover 4 square meters. And tinawag siyang liquid wallpaper kasi the way it has to be applied, kailangan mo siyang isoak sa water overnight and then you can apply it directly on your wall unlike any other regular and ordinary wallpaper. So it's very convenient applying Borealis. That's it for our Pro Store tour. And we'd love to welcome you in person. So visit the Sinclair Pro Store here at 189 Del Monte Avenue, Barangay Manresa, Quezon City, and at any other stores nationwide. So, whether you're looking for a classic, functional, or decorative paints, Sinclair got you covered. So visit us today and paint your masterpiece.